Hey, what's going on out there, people of the interwebs? This is Frenchy 5K. I'm just making a video on my 2010 Camaro SS. Actually, I have a few clips from when it was dynoed. We took it to DFR and Keith's Pit Stop, both in Pennsylvania. Diablo Formula Racing did a cam, Lunati custom grind with all the supporting mods. And we took it over to Keith's Pit Stop and got the dyno tune in. This car made over 500 horsepower. It made 506 peak horsepower to the wheels and 443 foot-pounds of torque. And there's more power to be added. So at the time of the dyno, we had a few mods done, you know, some cosmetic mods like a Z28 spoiler, an SLP front splitter, some Icon side skirts. It also had one of the first things I did was a QA1 strut tower brace. It had BMR lowering springs, and crazy thing is I wanted to upgrade my suspension because the car was driving like shit on the BMR lowering springs, and had you know, Andy at DFR. I had the Coney shocks ready so that I could pair them with the BMR lowering springs to see if I could get the drivability back, and he found out the BMR spring was broken. So yeah, I don't know how much I trust BMR anymore, but yeah, I had those springs for 3 years, and they cracked. They rusted all the way through and they cracked. So I don't know what that was about. Never seen an OEM spring crack. But instead of doing the Conies, I just decided, you know, I'm gonna go all out and decided to install BC Racing coilovers. So I mean, at the time of the video, I don't have the BC Racing coilovers in, but they're on the BMR lowering springs, and you can never tell. You'd never tell. It's just the drivability sucks. It's just running on the damper, no spring. Also, since then, I mean, we did full suspension, BMR trailing arms, BMR toy rods, Eibach sway bars, BMR end links, full suspension. I did the ZL1 or the GM ZL1 short throw shifter, you know, like it is out of the 1LE with the suede shifter boot or the Alcantara, whatever it is. And there's more power. More power is on the way. So, but these are just a few clips. Enjoy.
Surprised you made it.
Zach's going to be recording some of the polls, and we're going to be talking about the dyno numbers, what we're running into, if we're running into issues, and if we don't, and if it makes great horsepower, then you're going to see a video of a LS3 making excellent freaking horsepower, which he'll be happy about. I'll be happy about. And we'll go from there, guys.
All right, so there you have it. 506 wheel horsepower. Very simple mods. So, you know, did long tube headers, no cats, speed engineering headers. Maybe they can hold power, and they're really nicely welded. K&N cold air filter, Flowmaster Outlaw exhaust. But other than that, I mean, those are the axle backs. So other than that, it's really just a 2.5-inch stock exhaust to the Flowmaster Outlaws. But we made 506 wheel horsepower, and there's more coming, so stay tuned.